It's 1,000 subscriber giveaway time! Hello and welcome. I'm Akram and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. So I actually had a totally different video planned for you guys this Sunday, but something really cool has happened, so I decided to change it up. If you are following me on Instagram or here on YouTube, you probably already know, but about 2 or 3 days ago, I surpassed the 1,000 subscriber mark on YouTube. Woo! I'd been working towards that for quite a long time now, and I have to give a huge shout out to Claire from Penguin and Pear. She actually did sort of a sewing vlogger video where she shared some up-and-coming sewing vloggers, and I was mentioned in that, and I was about 30 or so short of 1,000 at the time, and then I was mentioned, and so we are now past 1,000, and I think at the moment I'm at 1,015 or something like that, and I hope to continue to grow Akram's Ideas with you guys. I'm really excited because now I get to unlock some other features like the community tab, which is something that I've been really wanting to have the opportunity to use in YouTube. And so basically that's where you can message your subscribers and chat with them, because I know not all my subscribers who are following me on YouTube follow me on like Instagram or Facebook. In fact, my Facebook page is pretty much nobody follows me on Facebook, but I do have a relatively large Instagram following and YouTube following, so not all of them are the same, and I wanted a way to connect with the YouTube subscribers because there's no other way but posting videos. And so that's going to be a really nice feature. And again, I just enjoy sharing content with you guys. I enjoy bringing creative and crazy ideas to life, and it just astounds me that you guys are enjoying the same content. And I hope that I give you guys inspiration and something to look forward to at the end of the week with some of my crazy shenanigans, like those wacky fabric hauls. You know, those are epic. To see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to Akram's Ideas, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new episodes. So with that said, I have decided to do a giveaway, a subscriber giveaway in celebration of reaching 1,000 subscribers. With the giveaway, I thought I would spread the love by sharing with you a couple of upcoming sewing vloggers, some who I've been watching for a while and some who are brand new to me, that I thought I would share with you guys. The first one is no surprise. I'm going to mention Claire is behind Penguin and Pear. You may have heard of her. She has been around in the sewing community for quite a while. I think she was one of the founding members of the Dressmaking blogger group on Facebook, and her YouTube channel is really fun. She's got some excellent intro music, and she just tells it like it is. She doesn't give any fluffiness to like the sewing reviews and stuff. She just says, you know, this is how it turned out for me, and I just love her wacky personality. I can tell that she's more wackier than she comes across. I can tell, Claire, you're wacky, and I love it. So I would totally check out Penguin and Pear's channel. Another sewing vlogger who I've been watching for a little while now is Sullivan. She kind of just popped up on my YouTube recommended page one day, and I was like, okay, I'll give her a try. And I really like her. She's just kind of bubbly and excited to be sewing, and she has a lot of enthusiasm. She has an amazing wallpaper in her sewing room that's like these dresses. It's really cool. But like I said, she just has a lot of enthusiasm and is excited to be sewing and everything. So Sullivan is another one that you should check out. The next sewing vlogger that I only recently discovered, and I've been like binge watching her videos since then, is Arthelia's Vintage and Handmade, and this is a channel by Naomi, and she is not actually very far from me. She's out in Arkansas, and she has a sewing / vintage channel, which is just up my alley. And she shares sort of vintage haul videos as well as sewing vintage. And so she just not too long ago did a sew along for a Gertie Buttrick sewing pattern. She's got a really great vintage vibe to her channel. She's got sewing plans. She also does knitting and crochet, so if you're into that, she's got some videos and podcasts on that as well. I love, again, her vintage haul videos. She does some fabric haul videos and just that overall retro vibe. So check out Naomi's channel. There is a relatively new sewing vlogger called Ginny Loves to Sew. She's only just got a handful of videos out right now, but I can definitely tell that she'll be posting more as far as sewing plans and sewing makes. She's got some really nice makes in there. She's just really new to the vlogger sphere, but I can definitely see her channel growing, and like I said, she's got some really nice makes. So I can definitely recommend her channel as well. And then the last one that I'm going to recommend is Dorothy's daughter. So she puts out, you know, your typical sewing makes and sewing plan videos and some fabric hauls, but she also does this really cool Friday sewing school videos where she posts a video on Fridays, which are really short videos about like how to sew. And she just did a recent one about like how to measure yourself, and they're really short little snippets, but really great for just getting started, or even if you just want to remember how to do something. And I love watching even those introductory videos of like how to measure yourself, because you always learn different techniques and everybody does things a little bit differently, that I think they're really good even if you've been sewing for a long while. So Dorothy's daughter is another vlogger to check out. What do you win if you enter the giveaway? So if you saw my fabric haul, I've said this before, I got a lot of fabric. So I'm gonna share the love of fabric with you guys. So I've got not one, not two, not three, but 4 prize packs here that you could win. So the first prize pack that I have, and I've all picked these fabrics for summer, so they're all kind of summer, or at least summer feel to me. So with each prize pack, you get a set of buttons and you get a zipper, just in case you want to make something either with buttons or with a zipper. So you get a set of 8 buttons, and then you get a 22-inch zipper if you want to make a dress or something. So this first piece of fabric here is a blue cotton grinham. Isn't that lovely? And with the blue grinham, you also get some white buttons and a blue zipper. So that was the blue one. The next one is this lovely red with these beautiful little teeny weeny yellow flowers on it. I feel like the red and the yellow, for whatever reason, maybe because it makes me think of ketchup and mustard, it makes me think of a barbecue. There are also little black polka dots on it, so I've got a set of 8 black buttons and of course a 22-inch red zipper there. The next one is this green, and this green is a very interesting print. It's kind of a check, but then there's this like leafy pattern going through it as well, and so it just is, it's different and I really like it. And again, with that one, you get sort of these hunter green, very dark green 6 buttons and a camel colored zipper to go with that. The last set, probably my favorite because this is one of my favorite fabrics, is 2 yards of my sea turtle fabric that I am in love with. And as you might know, I have made a honeycomb dress out of this sea turtle fabric before, so a Cocowaha honeycomb dress. So, and I've got these really beautiful blue sort of iridescent buttons and a turquoisey blue zipper to go with it. So those are the prize packs. Way to enter the giveaway is that you need to be a subscriber of Akram's Ideas. Enter the contest. You're going to want to check out the YouTube channels that I mentioned in this video, which I'll leave a link to their channels in the description below. And then you're going to want to say in the comments, either here on YouTube or over on my Instagram, which YouTube channel you visited, something that you liked about their channel, and then which prize pack would you like to win and what would you make with it. So you've got the blue, the red, the green, and the sea turtle colorful one. So I'm really excited, and this competition is open internationally. So I am going to run this giveaway competition until June 8th, and you have until the midnight Central Time to enter the competition on June 8th, and I will announce the winners on Sunday, June 9th. The winners will be picked at random. I do have sort of a contents, terms and conditions page on my blog that I'll link to in the comments below that talk about how I do all my competitions and everything. No one's sponsoring this video. I didn't really have time to contact anybody to do a sponsorship or anything. I just really wanted to share the love really quickly, especially since I only recently hit 1,000 subscribers, and I've got enough fabric that I can share the love with you guys. Let's just say that. So with that said, I hope you're excited. I hope you will take a stab at entering the competition. And I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas. Thanks for watching.
I guess what I'll do is I will, first off, I will share with you some blah, 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 blah. Sphere, I guess you could say. She's just really, and a turquoisey